So guys, welcome to Ola's TV show channel. So now I'm here to introduce to you one amazing app called Creatis Home. So Creatis Home is a graphic designing apps, yeah, where graphic design both beginners and experts can learn how to design and some tips you need to know when designing. So this app, there is lesson one, lesson two. So in this lesson one, they are going to tell you introduction of graphic design, the principles, like the rules you need to know when designing in graphic design. So after the lesson one, so the lesson two will also teach you how to you can design on your smartphone by using Pixlab and Canva. So in the lesson two, you are going to do the introduction of Pixlab. Yeah, Pixlab. How to use Pixlab and Canva also. So you can see you can also access to chat GPT in the app. Like you can ask chat GPT how to, like, anything you didn't understand, like principles of graphic designing, what type of graphic designing, anything, how to do this, how to do that. You can also ask chat GPT in the app. So I think you love the app. Like there is different hidden features in the app where you can also learn graphic design. Even if you are a beginner, even if you didn't have any experience of graphic design, if you just download the app, you just get it. So this app is the best for you. You can see lesson two. There is video, the introduction of Pixlab, download Pixlab, and the principles of Pixlab, like the principles of designing when designing the video. You can also access to live tutorial that they will teach you how to design on Pixlab. So even after lesson two, there is another feature that is locked below. So you can also see what you need to know before designing. Or like if you can also see the resources one, resources two, resources three. Yes, yeah. So if you open the resources, they are going to take you to like where you can download the model, the background, the font when you are designing. You can also access to the WhatsApp group and some creatives community. So as you can see, another feature is coming soon. Even if you done with tutorial, it will open automatically. You can see amazing flyers designing. What do you need to know before you start full-time designing? Like how to design the happy birthday designing flyers. What do you need to know when designing? These apps is just for expert, even expert and beginner. They need the apps because there are some tips, there are some words you need to know in the app. So we are about to open the resources one and resources two. So this resources one, you can open it with your drive. Yeah, you just select your account you want to open with drive. So I started designing. So thanks for watching this video. Just click the link around this video and download the app Creatis Home. Although unfortunately the app is not on Play Store. Yes, it's not on Play Store. So just click the link around this video to download the app. Thanks for watching.